So when it's your turn to fire, you need to go to this board right here to keep track of your misses and, more importantly, your hits. So let's suppose you shout, okay, 3 pi over 4, and your opponent says miss. So when that happens, go to the intersect tool right here and use that to plot the point 3 pi over 4. See, r equals 1, r equals 2, r equals 3. 3 pi over 4 is right here. So that's a miss. And it's white because in the old Battleship game, the white peg indicated a miss, right? And let's suppose as the turns come out, you get a few other misses that you could just simply plot here. But then all of a sudden you say, okay, 3 pi. And your opponent says, aha, that's a hit. So you go to the point 1, 2, you go to the point 3 pi and plot it. Okay? Now, if that's a hit, you need to change the color to red. So to do that, simply click on the move arrow first. All right? Click on the point. Go to the style bar right here. And then there's a white space right here. Click there. That's your color palette. You can change it to red. All right? And let's suppose your opponent goes, right? And now it's your turn. And on your turn, you say, okay, 3, 7 pi over 6. And let's say that's another hit. So we go here. 3, 7 pi over 6 is right here. But now we got to go click on move and change it to red. So click on the point, change it to red. See what I mean? And then when it's your turn again, you say 3, 5 pi over 4. Looks like they have a circular ship here going on, right? So you go there and say, okay, 3, 5 pi over 4 is a hit. And they say, hey, congratulations, you've just sunk one of my 3-peg ships. Well, if that's the case, you can go ahead and click it, change the color. And then you can actually draw the ship in if you want. So you can actually draw, you remember using the circular arc tool, you could draw that and then indicate, yep, I got a ship and I sunk it. So you're trying to keep track of your hits and misses here, and that's how you can mark ships that you sink, like so. And let's suppose you actually sink a 2-peg ship that was like straight, right? So let's say you got both of these as being hits when it was your turn. Then you could use the segment tool to draw a ship that you sunk right here. See what I mean? And your goal is to sink all 5 of your opponent's ships before he, she, or they sink all of yours.